This is my sister, and she's making her famous green papaya salad. And it's more authentic if you cut it and shred it by hand. I won't do it because I feel like I will hurt myself, but it's just better texture, right? Yeah, and crunch.
Yeah, you get different sizes. So it's like crunch. Some pieces are small, some pieces are thicker.
So in here is garlic and Thai chilies. And this is the mortar.
Mash those in a paste.
Come in, don't be camera shy. Pregnant belly. Baby likes spicy food. Thai shrimp paste. The more shrimp paste, the more pungent. So for first timers, maybe use a little bit.
Yep, a spoonful. Yep. A little more. Okay, that's good.
That's padak.
Padak.
Very pungent.
So I cut
maybe a little bit because a lot of my guests aren't Asian.
Okay.
I have the shrimp paste, the padak, and fish sauce. Everyone's gonna be like, why does my breath stink? Yeah, I like a lot of lime, so
yeah, I have more lime.
Like 3 and so too.
Yeah, but these are really juicy.
Put some muscle behind it, girl.
These are juicy limes.
It's like really
very juicy limes.
Come on, you weakling. Oh, you girls want to help too?
Oh my goodness, everybody wants to be in this video, even the dog.
Unorganized video ever. All right, what's next?
Okay, you can add the tomatoes. I already. You need the juice from the tomatoes, so you need to find really juicy tomatoes.
Yeah.
Cherry tomatoes are the best because there's a lot of juice. But this is like
You know you can't tell us the time, we'll show up.
Wow.
So you get 2 points for a layup, 5 points for a free throw.
Yum.
and oh, I gotta add
And then the winner
cilantro.
gets something.
Yes, I
But
love
yeah, I made one free throw.
cilantro. I'm filming, it's okay.
It's like you cook for a living.
This is industrial.
Oh no, are you recording?
Oh no, that's why it's.
I am
don't worry
recording,
about
but
it.
it's okay.
Don't worry about it.
We're
This
editing
is
out.
like industrial blue star kitchen.
It's huge, but it's
Come here,
not
sir.
as much space as you would think.
No. What did you make for us today, Nya?
Spicy papaya salad.
Yeah.